Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Extrude and Fillet. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we'll select the front plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint, okay, in the center of the circle. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a circle here with 65 millimeters of diameter and another circle with 30 millimeters of diameter, and create this part here, okay? The distance between this line and the center is 20 millimeters, and the distance between these two lines is 10 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 65 millimeters and another circle with 30 millimeters. Now go to two-point rectangle, make a rectangle here, 20 millimeters by 8 millimeters. And go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center point here. And now go to modify and select the break. Break the line here and here. Okay. Now select these lines here and make this a construction line. Okay. We have this profile. Now we needed to create this circle here. One circle with 45 millimeters and another one with 20 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between these two circles here is 120 millimeters. Okay. So go to circle. Make a circle here with 45 millimeters of diameter and another one with 20 millimeters of diameter, and go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point here and this point here, and the distance between these two circles here is 120 millimeters. We made this. Okay, finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 25 millimeters. Okay, so go to extrude, select this profile and this one, and the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 25 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We made this. Now we will make this part here. Okay, so to create this, we'll create an arc here between these two circles with 150 millimeters of radius and another arc here with 100 millimeters of radius. This arc and this one is tangent with the both circles, okay? And we needed to create an offset with 10 millimeters of distance. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, go to create, project included, project, the selection filter, select the bodies, select this body here and this one, press OK. I will hide these bodies a little bit. Go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, make an arc between these two circles and create another arc here. Go to constraints and select the tangent, select this line and this arc. Let me see, I had a problem here. Sorry, let me delete this. Okay, this arc must be tangent with the both lines, with the both circles, sorry. The radius here 150 and the radius here 100 millimeters. Okay, now go to create and select the arc, center point arc, click here in this point and this point and this point, make an arc here and make another arc here. Okay, I will hide the project geometries. We have this. Okay, let me move this a little bit. Go to constraint, select the coincident, select this point here, select this point here, sorry, select this point here in the midpoint, and here go to constraint, concentric. Let me move this a little bit, concentric, and select this arc here. Okay, we made this. Now go to offset, Select this profile, the distance here minus 10 millimeters, and press OK. We made this. Now finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 15 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, select this profile, the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance 15 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. We made this, okay? Now we need to make the fillets. This red edges here is a fillet with 2 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. So go to fillet, select this face here, and select this face here. The fillet here 2 millimeters. Now add selection set. Select this edge and this edge here, this edge and this edge here. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. And press OK. Now press letter A in the keyboard. And we will paint this, select the faces. We will paint the fillets with red color, okay? Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.